Yo, what's going on? It's Alex Jenkins checking in. Did a trade on Great British Pound USD for 1.3220 for 7 p.m. I did this trade somewhere around 12 something. So I've been in this trade for at least almost 4 hours already. But we're down almost 20 pips here. We're down 20 pips. We're in profit, $41, about two contract positions. The average price, when the price I bought it at was $39.50. So that's $39.50 times 2. That's my profit, which is like 77, something like that. Uh, yeah, 77, somewhere up in that range, somewhere up in close to 80. But yeah, things going pretty well. Get back with you guys in about 3 hours. In 3 hours even. I'll be back at the 3-minute mark, hopefully. Yo, what's going on? Alex Jenkins checking in. Look here, I had to make a trade. I had pretty much missed the expiry of this trade, but I was in a trade, GU trade, for 32.20. Y'all seen that earlier. So we'll look at the market to see what happened at 32.20. And we got in right here. Market went down, finished what this is, 1900 at 7 o'clock at 32.05. So I got 15 pips. So it's a go. It's a green light, baby. It was a good victory. So Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all.